Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's sweet video, if you accidentally forgot to use a referral code to start driving for Uber, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to use a retroactive sign-up code so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000. All right, all you got to do is open the Uber driver app. At the top of the screen, you're going to see either your picture or 3 lines. Click there. Then you're going to click Earnings. Next, click Help or the question mark, depending on what you see. Click Account and Payment. Then click Referrals. Click Invited Driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Click Send a Message. The invite code that you're going to use is JACOBL17756UI. Friend's name is Jacob Letman. Phone number is going to be 307-349-7713. And the email address is goodvibetribe222@gmail.com. Finally, under details, you're just going to put, my friend Jacob referred me to drive for Uber. That's it. Send it in and get your guarantee of up to $1,000 to start driving with Uber. Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. You're you. This is a Rideshare Hub. And, hey, I'm having a bad week. It's true. I'm going to give you the details on that. But before we get into it, if you need to start driving for Rideshare, need to, want to, would like to, jump down into the video description below. You'll find some links there for both Uber and Lyft. You can click on those, get signed up. You get some sign-on bonuses. You start driving, you start making money. Hold on to that thought. Do that first. I'll give you a minute. I'll give you a second. Because now I'm going to tell you about my bad week of driving. It's not been a good week. So, couple things. I live in Phoenix, and so this is the slow season, and so it's to be expected, but it's really not good. So anyway, I just want to get on here, give you guys my earnings breakdown for this week so you can see what I'm talking about and what I'm dealing with here. I didn't do a lot of driving, only 17 and a half hours, because I have a big golf tournament this weekend that I'm getting ready to head to. A lot of money to be made if I play well, so fingers crossed. Hopefully the birdies are flowing. Anyway, so I drove 17 and a half hours this week, and I only made $196.63. So that's driving. I drove Monday through Thursday, mornings and evenings. So the best times that I could drive during the week, just not busy. And I gave 28 rides, and what that breaks down to is $11 an hour and $7 a ride. The sad thing is, it gets worse because that's before gas. So, after gas, I spent, $40 on gas this week. We'll call it $30 on rideshare gas, which, you ready for this? Gives me $9.50 an hour after gas is taken out and only $6 a ride. It's not great, you guys. Anyway, wanted to get on here, and also 25 of those dollars were tips too. So without the tips, this would be a really, really terrible week. This is why I keep a clean car. Got to get those tips. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here and give you this weekly earnings breakdown so you guys could see, if you haven't started driving, there is an ebb and flow, highs and lows to driving for rideshare. Sometimes it's really good, and sometimes it's like now and it's not so good. But wanted to stress the importance of educating yourself on knowing the best times to drive, places to drive, how to do everything the best that you can do so that you can really maximize your profits while driving for rideshare. So watch our other videos, get that information. Hopefully you'll have better weeks than I do. Hey, on a good note, somebody did leave this sweet gel pen in the back seat of my car, so I got that going for me, which is nice. It's not that cool, actually. Tried to make myself feel better. Anyway, you guys, why don't you jump down in the comment section below and let us know what you do when the going gets slow with rideshare driving. Or if it doesn't, let us know where you're at and why it doesn't. Okay, cool. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. Thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this video or took anything away from it, give it a big thumbs up. Appreciate that. And until the next time, drive safe, everybody.